Introducing the revolutionary cat screen from simplescreens.company that solves every pet owner's window dilemma. No more choosing between fresh air and your cat's safety. This innovative Velcro screen delivers both. Our premium mesh construction keeps your beloved pet securely inside while maintaining perfect airflow throughout your home. Added bonus, complete insect protection included. Professional grade installation is remarkably simple. Secure Velcro edges attached directly to any window frame in seconds. Zero drilling required, no tools necessary, no expensive contractors. Conveniently folds for compact storage when not in use. Order your cat screen from simplescreens.company today for guaranteed worry-free ventilation.